Hello YouTube, it's me again. I had to cut the wire off this thing because see this little chomp. I don't know if you can see it right. Hold on. See the little wire chompy in there? Well, when you get a new dog, they tend to eat stuff. So I'm gonna take this apart and see if I can put it back together. So basically I had to cut it short because some little brat dog decided to eat my damn thing. So this is what we're doing. We're taking apart a Dewalt Charger. Imagine if the Dewalt Charger was cordless. That'd be even more funny. Oh great, that doesn't fit down there. This could be fun. Fun. Where the hell can we? This is great. Do we have an extension that'll fit down there? Lovely. How the hell? This is... hold on. Let me figure this problem out. Hello folks. Well, I got a problem here. I can't get the extension. See, if I use one of these extensions, it doesn't go in the hole. This bit isn't long enough. So what I did is I sliced a little slice in it. I'm going to drop it in the hole like so. And then I'm going to find a flat screwdriver and then just unscrew it out of here. So if you don't have a short bit, one of the things you can do, or a long bit I should say, oops, let's get out some more here. If you don't have a long bit, just cut a slice in the back one of your bits. I mean, these things are, honestly, drill bits are a dime a dozen these days, so. Here, pop it open now. There we go. Ouvre la porte. So anyway, looks like I gotta do some soldering, blah 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 blah. Because apparently this thing is, that's the inside of that. I need to cut this wire off here. Maybe I'll just put it on there with two barrettes. Easier. It'd be easier if I just clink the wire here, solder it on, and put it some heat tubing over it, because rather than screwing up the board. So yeah, I'll hop to that real quick here. So yeah, but like I said though, if these are too short, cut a notch in it, drop it in there, put a flat screwdriver in it. So we'll be right back and I'll show you. Back again. I'm back. Come back. Trying to get the wire off here. Apparently my wire strippers they're not stripping. So anyway. What I decided to do was, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna crimp one of these on here. Little bullet connector or whatever the hell this thing's called. I'm not even sure what it's called. Gonna crimp that on there. Because it's a Tuesday and I don't feel like soldering. So why solder when you can just crimp it together right like that, right? Soldering is ideal. Soldering is probably the best thing in the world where you can do it, but I'm too lazy. I'd rather just... See, there we go. Now, we'll take this right here, chop the heat tubing in half, because I really should be using wire cutters for heat tubing, right? I drop this one around here, put on before, this way I don't have any problems later. Going, oops, I forgot to put it on there. And now I got to figure out which one of these wires goes where. Come on. There we go. Peel that off a little. We'll cut this one. I think the dog did a better job cutting it than me. Stupid dog. There's like dog teeth marks everywhere here. There There you go. Let's spin this around. You spin me round and round. Alright, let's cut this off a little here. Jesus. Soft wire. There's that train again. Now, gotta remember which side is which. This one's got a line in it. So the one with the line in it goes right in this one. What a pain in my butt. Pain in my butt. This in there like so. It's easier to see the hole. Crimp that. Crimp that. Make sure they stay together. And put that inside the heat tubing. Put that inside the heat tubing and go like this. Barbecue. Of course, I got the frickin' thing that doesn't work, right? There you go. She's hot. She's hot. Whee! Here we go. Come on, burn, baby, burn. Shrinkity, shrinky. Shrinkity, shrink, shrink. Come on, shrink. Shrink, you mofo. Whee! There we go. Now. I'll put this inside here. Put this around here like so. That wire goes in there, sneaks around there. That goes in there. That can stay in there. Of course, my phone goes off. Now, ouch. Don't leave wire brushes face up on your bench. So yeah, that goes like so. Come on, get in there. Ta-da! Put that back here. Drop. Funny part about this is there was one screw missing. Screw that one in there. With where's the thingamajiggy? Yeah, I guess I'm using this one again. That one in there. I'll just put this like this. I put away the extension, so I'll just do it the cheap way with a flat screwdriver. Christ. Ugh. Come on, where's the other screw? How long is this video? Like 10 minutes long? Probably. Looks like something's getting edited out of here. Ta-da! No more dog shoot toy. Let's see if it works. Watch it not even work and blow up the batteries. Alrighty, look at that. There's that. And we'll drop a battery in it. See if it works. Ta-da! She works. The cord is a whopping this much shorter. Anyway, thanks for watching.